How many people have you kissed?
100.
Oh, lovely.
Alright, what's good, y'all? We back again. 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 We back. Turn it up. Again. We back again. We back again. Yes, sir. And in today's video, we got something a little special, man. We got women have their first kiss captured in slow motion. It popped up on my homepage, and I thought it was pretty interesting. Before we get into the video, man, comment down below when you had your first kiss and how was it. Well, I had my first kiss when I was 6 years old, man, with my first ever girlfriend back in Jamaica.
Hi.
What's your name?
She's pretty.
Maya, and I'm 18.
Why are you here today?
To get my first kiss.
How come you've never kissed anyone before?
I'm very introverted, so it's really hard for me to reach out. And
Judging by her body language, she seems very introverted. I'm not gonna lie.
I have social anxiety and the few experiences
She seemed like the type of girl that got 3 cats and she just reads for fun.
I've had romantically have not ended well. Both of them were guys. Both of them were guys in high school. And both of them rejected me, and one called me creepy. So it's made me very reluctant to.
I mean, I could see why they would say that. She's probably a lot creepier back then. She cool now, though.
For me, what people would deem my first kiss wasn't consensual. His lips were on my lips. I kind of opened my mouth a little bit, and then his
I'm getting a little lesbian vibe from her, man.
tongue just kind of went inside. I felt so disgusting. I'm here.
What goes inside your mind to make you kiss like that? Just stick your tongue out and just... Who in your right mind would kiss like that, bro?
What do you imagine your first kiss to be like?
Enjoyable, I hope so. I don't. Besides that, I don't really know what to expect.
everybody describes it as getting sparks. So maybe I'll have sparks, maybe not.
Are you nervous?
Very, extremely.
Yeah, that's just too high expectations, man. I could honestly say there ain't no sparks, bitch. On my first kiss, shit. It wasn't no sparks, man. There was a lot of moisture, though.
I'm gonna have you close your eyes, then I'm gonna bring the person in. Hands over the face, no peeking.
I'm not, oh, okay.
Open.
Hi.
Hi. I'm Natalie. I'm Daisy.
Oh, they both lesbians. Okay.
Cute name. Thank you.
Should we shake
hands?
or hug?
Hug. Shake hands.
Am I at all what you expected?
You're pretty.
Thank you.
And yeah, no, you have great energy.
Thank you.
You're super cute. So, you know, sure, you're what I expected.
Do you think Emeka is attractive?
Yeah, you are attractive, you little nose ring. Oh my God.
You're gonna make me blush.
You're making me blush.
Man, ugly as shit.
For me, before we kiss? Try to like loosen up, you know, let the nerves out. Kind of let it all happen naturally.
How many people have you kissed?
100?
And this man kissed 100 people? Shit, okay. I'm definitely not over 100, but I'm closer to like maybe 50.
Experience?
Okay.
Are you two ready?
Oh my God.
1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah, okay, we gotta go back, man. We gotta analyze this shit. Hold up. You see the way, hold up. We gotta analyze real quick.
Are you two ready?
Oh my God.
1, 2, 3, go.
I remember a time when I went on a date with this girl and then she kissed me. She put both her lips over my lips, bro. That shit was so uncomfortable. That shit was weird as hell. She did not know what the hell she was doing, man. So I had to grab her head, said, no, no, you do it like this. You know what I'm saying? I had to grab her cheek and lead the kissing and do my thing, man, to make that shit better. Cause she just like, what? It's like, what the fuck? What the fuck? Shit. It's kind of weird that she still got her eyes open though. I don't know what's the deal with that though. Imagine kissing somebody, you know what I'm saying, intense kiss, and you open your eyes and they just staring at you. Like that shit creepy as hell, bro. That shit creepy as hell. Why you got your eyes wide open kissing me? Okay, it's very sensual. It's very sensual.
You're a good kisser.
Good kisser? Me personally, that didn't look like a good kiss to me, but shit, maybe I'm wrong. You know what I'm saying? Maybe right. That kiss look kind of stiff. You know what I'm saying?
That's crazy.
Oh, my guy wanted more. My guy wanted more. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back.
And stop.
You're a good kisser. That's crazy.
She's also a good kisser.
Do you feel like a different person now that you've kissed someone?
Yeah, I feel grown.
Feel grown.
Natalie, how was that?
It was good. It was different than I thought it would be.
How was that?
Her lips are very plump. Like at first I was like, oh my God, we're doing this. And then I was like, we're doing this. And then I was like, we're doing this. Like my biggest fear today was that I would have a panic attack because I'd have flashbacks. I felt like I got a Band-Aid off. You want to do it again?
Yes.
We can do it again.
Okay. Yeah, that time right there, that kiss was a lot better. The lips overlapped a lot better too.
Another good one. You keep getting better, dude.
You were great, and everyone was great. I had a good time.
I feel like I could go out there and probably kiss somebody.
I'll have to go on Tinder and try to find some.
Hey, if you want to kiss somebody, I'm right here for you, baby. I'm right here for you. I know all the techniques. You know what I'm saying? I know that tongue twister. You ever heard of the tongue twister 2000? I got that shit on deck. You know what I'm saying? You ever heard of the biting lip? Going back up to the top lip, switching back to the bottom lip, tongue twisting and all that shit. I got it all, baby. Come at me. You know what I'm saying? Come at me. Shit. You know what I'm saying? It's very weird that they haven't gotten your first kiss yet. It's so easy for girls to get kisses or get guys, man. Like any guy out there would want to kiss these girls. Maybe it's because they're super selective. But if they were super selective, they would not be on the show though. I could see if a guy hasn't had your kiss. Shit, there's guys that I know that are still virgins. There's guys that are 30 years old, 40 years old and still virgins. Not because they choose to be, because they can't get no pussy. You know what I'm saying? Guys have it differently. Girls, you can be overweight and not so good looking and a guy would still want to have sex with you. So I'm surprised they haven't got kisses yet. It's weird, it's crazy. But yeah, this was a cool little video though, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, man, I'm trying to get that girl's Instagram though, man. I'm trying to kiss her. But with that said, I'll see you on the next video.